Hello world and welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina. Today's quest brings us over to Carowinds to check out some new things that they have added. That is going to be a couple new stores and a Beagle Scout Badge Quest that I want to check out. See what that's all about. And then I'm also going to walk around and probably get me some food. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go do that. Let's go have some fun. Up first, we got the State Street Emporium. The old Premier store has been renovated to a new store that I want to go in and check out. It's looking pretty like legit in there, and I want to see what it's all about. All right, look how fancy this is. Got some good merch. Fancy circles. It all looks really nice. They've moved the cash out like registers over to the middle. Still got the Sweet Spot store. It's not Sweet Spot, it wasn't called Sweet Spot before, I don't think, but it is still there regardless. We got some nice merch for Thunder Striker and Copperhead. And check this out too. This was something that I was really excited for until I saw the price. You can own a piece of Nighthawk. When they tore that down, they must have sliced it in pieces, and you can buy it for only $300. Now, if you remember from the old Premier store, this used to be where they keep the Simply Southern items, and I'm not seeing any Simply Southern over here. I think that's going to be across the way over there at the State Line. I think it's State Line Designs, but I am not seeing that over here. But dang, they got some cool Snoopy lunch boxes. Check that out. And some awesome bubble wands here too. My daughter will eat up some bubble wands. Like, not literally, we don't let her eat the bubbles, but you know what I mean. Oh man, this is a little cool green game. You remember these things back in the day? Where you like squish it? Better show it on camera, huh? You remember those things? Those things were fun. I used to like wig out to them when I was on car rides and stuff. And we have shoulder sitting plushes. This is real big in Disney World. They have Groots and everything over there. Now we have our own with Snoopy's and Belle's. That is a pretty sick Copperhead Strike shirt for sure. Let's see how much that thing is. I almost walked off and left it, but now I'm kind of intrigued because I might want to get me one. I don't do good with white shirts, but it is $29.99, not too bad. I was actually looking at a t-shirt for a Baby Metal concert I'm going to take my daughter to. They were $50 for a t-shirt. So $30 is not as bad nowadays as what you think it is. Oh, we got an I Conquered Fury 325. Maybe I'll buy my wife that one day when she actually conquers it. She probably won't watch this video, but I'm trying to kind of poke a little bit of fun. Oh, we got a Fury basketball jersey in shorts. That's kind of different. Let's look at it. What's on the back? Carowinds, #1 steel coaster in the world. #1, just like my favorite basketball player, Penny Hardaway. And we got these like little Hornets plushies. How cool is that? That's for Fury. I don't see a price on it. I'm gonna go through some others and see if I can find a price. $19.99, be it. Get it? Be it. Got some cool magnets here. I really like this Fury 325 one. Shows off its Golden Ticket Award, which it's had multiple years in a row. I really like this one too. And the Thunder Striker one. Very cool magnets. And over here we have just walls and walls of candy. I guess it's one of those things, yeah, where you pay $5 per quarter pound. So you just get as much of this as you want, but then you pay by the pound, $5 per pound. And up here are some menu items that you might want to check out. I'll zoom in on that. If you want to freeze it, hit that pause button. And now we're gonna look at some of this. Check out that popcorn. It's like red, white, and blue for a 250th, I'm guessing. Really cool. And here are those caramel apples you just saw up on the menu. I love me some caramel apples. My mom, bless her heart, when she was alive, used to love these things. And I have memories of us eating them at Pigeon Forge left and right. Good times. And now we're gonna head on down to Aeronautica Landing because they have a new little pop-up stand merch store that I want to show there. And sometimes it's open, sometimes it isn't. Let's hope for the best. But on the way, why don't we talk about this new ride coming to Carowinds in 2027. I just finished a media event with this, so if there's more on that video if you want to hop over there and see it. But 100-foot tall log flume drop. Right there is your vehicle, your ride vehicle. You can see the restraints and everything in it. But I have way more information on this on the other video, but it is new, so I wanted to show it on this one as well. It's going to literally drop you backwards. It's going to have like a little switchback, drop you backwards, turn you around, drop you forwards. It's going to break 3 different records. It's going to be a lot of fun, y'all. Now, I know I said I was headed to Aeronautica Landing, but things change. I was passing this and realized that this is part of the Beagle Scout Badge Quest, which is part of the video as well. This is a brand new thing at Carowinds, and I want to show it. You got 4 different camp people. Charlie Brown, Peppermint Patty. Let me swap it around, actually. There's you a better shot at Peppermint Patty. You've got Franklin. And lastly, you've got Pigpen here. All right, I think I'm gonna grab one for $17.99 here. I'm gonna use my pass, or I might use this guy's pass. What's your channel or whatever? I'm gonna give you a shout out.
Cowboy Casanova Coasters.
There we go. He was saying he had a platinum pass, so I get a bigger discount. So I might roll with his pass. But I'm gonna get this and we're gonna try this game out, see what it's about. All right, we have procured Peppermint Patty, and I was just gonna say there's also a place you can shop right behind the cash register here for this badge quest. Now, I think I'm supposed to scan this, so tap camper tag to begin. All right.
Let's get started on our next badge.
Hi, and welcome to the Beagle Scout Badge Quest. Snoopy has placed his paw print all around Camp Snoopy,
And then follow
these are the key to earning your merit badges.
Once you have all 8, come back to base to collect your badge.
Follow the paw prints around. Touch enough paw prints, then return here to collect your reward. So I guess we got to go tap some of those things and then come back and
Your
get some
camper
reward.
tag is important. When you find a paw print, touch your camper tag to it. The paw print lights up when you scan it. Sometimes, your camper guide will ask you to touch the pegs around Snoopy's paw print. These are the pegs. When they light up, your guide is giving you a clue. Before you get started, let's personalize your camper profile. Type in your initials and pick the things that make you one of a kind.
All right. Color, she'll want blue.
I live on Earth.
She thinks she owns the earth. Choose your sound. What would she like? I think she'd like that. She would like the butterfly for sure.
First badge you will earn is the Collector Badge. To earn this badge, find 8 paw prints around camp. It's a scavenger hunt. When you see one, tap it with your camper tag. Your guide will let you know how many you found. Before you go on your paw print hunt, say hello to your camper guide.
Wait until Marcy hears about how much fun we've had. Ready to go?
Yeah. All right, bye. Let's go. Let's go get her badge.
All right, let's go do
Mr.
it.
Carowinds fans only.
Let's do this.
All right. All right, y'all. I ran into Avison here. Her dad was the one. Dad? That's you? Was the one that gave me the discount. She's gonna show me around, show me all these badges so we can get through this and see what it's all about. So where are we headed first? Okay, just show me the way. I know there was one up here at the balloons. Right, here we go. All right, it said tap the paw print first.
Yeah, paw print, other side. Oh, it was.
Aha! A paw print, just as I suspected. There's a bunch more all around camp. We need to tag 7 more, then go back to base to claim your badge.
Let's do it. Oh, dang, she tapped hers. That's going crazy stuff.
This is my second time, so this is my second badge.
Okay, so it's different.
You still there?
We're here.
See that?
Next is the only country with blue vertical stripes.
So I guess it does different
Those are
things
up and
depending on
down.
what badge you're
Got it?
looking for.
Is that France?
So yeah, it kind of depends on what badge you're hunting. Like right now, I'm just tapping the paw print, so mine's just doing kind of like the basic thing. But if you were doing a different badge, you had to like do flags on balloons and stuff, didn't you?
So how it works is the first time it's so you can find where all of the things are, and then you go either to the Gnosis station, that's where they have more base ones. I personally go back to the shop to do it, just because then you have to sign in on the other ones. So I'll go to the shop and then I'll scan it and then click next, and it will tell me the instructions to get the next badge.
Okay. Well, I guess we're kind of both getting our badges right now. All right, we're underneath the canoe now over here at the Red Baron. Snoopy versus Red Baron.
The fearsome falls of camp. Wait. Ready, set, heave. I can hear it coming unstuck. Press back and forth a few more times on heave. Hey,
that's
still
cool.
There? Not quite. Try something else.
It seems to be a little clunky right now. Oh, that worked. Just had to slow it down a little bit. Oh, look, and the canoe's moving.
I'm so happy. Brave Beagle Scouts, we salute you. Let's move on.
That's so super cool. I'm gonna scan my badge now. It's not gonna do anything near as cool as that. All right.
You're right. 2 prints are better than 1. Throw that one in the collection.
That's all mine did. All right, hers is the cool one, so I definitely want to get hers going.
This part of camp
Look
is
at
so
this.
relaxing. I can't help but take a nap. Speaking of which, that camper in the hammock way up there between those 2 trees seems to be knocked out. I think they're about to be late for the sack race.
So that was the right one.
I can see them stirring. Try
That is
pressing that
so
alarm
cool.
one more time.
All right, you got to hit the buttons and figure out the alarm. The alarm goes off and wakes up the
Nice.
person in the hammock.
That camper is up just in time for the race. Off they go, and off we go too.
All right, I'm gonna scan my boring one.
This is one of my favorite spots around camp. No wonder Snoopy stuck his print on it.
Now, I found some stations over here that isn't like part of the game, but it's where you can go and scan in and maybe check your progress on badges and things. But over here is part of the game. See, with the little house there. So what, do we got an art project going on?
I don't know, it's been there. I think that's what mine does.
All right.
Oh hey, today's art class. Let's take a peek in that display case to your right and see the finished masterpieces. Snoopy requested that we pick some matching art for display at the Jamboree. Think you can pick 2 that work together? There's this drawing on the top left. We'll make
Alright.
sure these 2 are added to the Jamboree
Supposed to pick the
collection.
ones that match.
Well done.
She
Moving
chose
on.
the nighttime ones. And we got a trumpet. Let's do it this way. They quit shooting me. That was gonna be a good shot too. Oh well, let's scan her badge here.
Hey, 7 paw prints.
All right, I'm gonna head off and go over to Aeronautica Landing. Are you all gonna go or no?
Yeah, we'll follow.
Oh, okay, then I'm not gonna say bye. I was like, I'm gonna say bye to y'all, but anyways, thanks Avison for showing me around the badges. And thank you for your premiere pass thingy.
Anytime.
All right, now I'm gonna head down to Aeronautica Landing, and like I said, there's a pop-up store down there. It usually is not open. It's not. I doubt it's gonna be open today, but I'll at least show you all where it's at so that you can come here in case it is open. But what'd you all think about that Badge Quest thing? Like, I thought it was super cool, very interactive, fun for kids. When I scanned mine, it was just like, congrats, you got it. But then when she scanned hers, a bunch of different stuff happened. So it was highly interactive. I think the more you get into it, the deeper you go with it, the more you're gonna get out with it. I was really happy to see that moved when she scanned her badge. She made it move. So that's gonna be a lot of fun for kids and even some adults who enjoy stuff like that. And right next to Conjuring Beyond Fear, an air shot is going to be our quick little store here, Balloon Busters. And it is a small one. It's not like something you're going to walk in and do a whole lot at. And so I'm not expecting anything crazy merch here. It's probably just going to be some generic Carowinds and amusement park stuff. And the last thing I'm going to film for the new stuff here at Carowinds in this video is over here at Carowinds Theater. It is the Gazillion Bubbles show. Now it's going to start up, y'all said the 13th, right? Yeah, it's starting up on the 13th. And we just left a media event for Rip Roaring Falls, the new ride they're bringing to Carowinds. And they kind of mentioned something about this. What he said was, I can't really explain it in words. There's just a gazillion bubbles. So there you have it. It's going to be kind of cool, probably going to be fun for the young kids and the young at heart. I'm excited for it. Any show or anything new here at Carowinds, I'm game for it. And with that being said, our time for this video has come to an end. That's all the new stuff that I can think about that's come here since the last video. Obviously there's some other new things around, but I wanted to make a video for what's currently new here in the park. So if you're interested in seeing those other things, you might want to go to my channel, subscribe, and see those other videos as well. But that's going to end this video. So I hope you all had fun watching the video, because I had fun making it. Thanks for watching and thanks for playing. Bye, world.